how to do copywriting and earn the money. So this video is about how you can get the skill of copywriting and you can earn the money from copywriting. So again, if you want to become a copywriter, this channel will definitely help you do that, because I am himself a copywriter. I want to make sure that I provide my good content kind of a strategy with you guys, so that you can work on the copywriting thing in your life also. You can learn from me. Maybe you don't need to learn from me, to be very honest, because I'm also on the beginning stage only. So whatever I will learn, I will share with you guys. And at the same point of time, I will share about email marketing also, which can actually help us, you and me, to earn the money from email marketing only, right? So how you can become a copywriter and you can earn money from copywriting? First, you need to focus on getting the skill, right? There are so many freelancer out there in the market who say anything in the email, anything in the Instagram DM, that I can help you with this, I can help you with that, but they don't have any clue what they are doing. Same goes to me also, right? So I'm not going to lie to you. Just because I don't have client, that does not mean I don't understand the industry. From 1 year, I'm doing this particular thing, so I understand that how people are doing and what exactly they are doing, right? So maybe some people have $8,000 of client, I can understand, but I'm talking about someone who don't have the skill, who straight away go, who straight away email to the people that I will do that, I will do that, I will do this, I will do this, I will make your business double. It's good that if you are able to make it, but if you are not able to make it, so in that time there will be some problems, right? So what I'm trying to do is that if you want to become a great copywriter and you want to earn the money from copywriting, you need to have a great command on the skill. You need to go to the udemy.com, wait for the sale to happen. Once there is a sale, go and buy the course of Alan Sharp. You will be able to understand, because it's 18 hours of content on the copywriting. Buy that, learn that, do practice, then pitch, right? So first you need to do practice, first you need to learn how to do that skill, then you need to sell. Because this is another problem. I used to record a very few videos in the starting, and that is the only reason why I don't have any confidence right now, if you can see, because my earlier video is good than this, right? But so what you need to do, first get good with this copywriting skill, then you need to learn to sell, right? If you want to become a business person, don't wait, try to sell, try to sell as much as you can. Try to talk, try to tell people, try to share your video link. Don't feel bad about it. If you really think that it will going to be a future thing for you, that you are going to do this particular copywriting for the next 5 to 10 years, don't be shameful about it. Go and share your video link to the people. Go and tell people that you are doing this, you want to sell the copywriting services, and make sure that you dedicate your time to this, right? So get good with the skill, then get good with the sales. Because if you know how to do this particular thing, and if you don't know how to communicate that particular message to your family members, forget about the business people, I'm not talking about the business people. If you don't know how to communicate this particular message to your family member and friend, you don't know how to convince them, how to sell them, what feel you think that you will sell that particular services to the business owner, right? So first learn skill, then be good with the sales. If you are able to do that, then only you can earn money from copywriting. Thank you so much for watching this.